Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurul Albani binti Yunus, nama matric 2857904. So I will explain about introduction foreign direct investment FDI. FDI is a type of cross-border investment in which an investor from one economy establishes a long-term interest and large degree of influence over an enterprise from another economy. FDI is an important component of international economic integration because it establishes solid and long-term link between economies. FDI facilitates technology transfer between countries, encourage international trade by providing access to foreign market, and has the potential to drive economic development. This group indicator include inflows and outflows for shares, flows and earning by partner country as well as industry and FDI regulation. FDI plays an important role in shaping Malaysia's economic landscape, driving growth and fostering development across various sectors. As a key component in Malaysia economic strategy, FDI has contributed significantly to industrialization, infrastructure development, and technology advancement in the country. So this slide describes the factor contributing to FDI in Malaysia, the impact of the FDI on Malaysia growth, and the challenges and limitations of FDI in Malaysia.
My name is Husna Hazunina Soha binti Abdullah and my matric number 286196. I will present about history of FDI in Malaysia. The first one, the early stage of FDI in Malaysia. The early stage of foreign direct investment FDI in Malaysia, then known as Malaya, were characterized by the colonial economic activities under British rule. The initial focus was on the exploitation of natural resources, particularly the rubber and tin industry, which were instrumental in the country's economic modernization. The rubber industry, driven by the global demand for the motor car tires, and the tin industry, supported by development of the canning industry, became the backbone of Malaya economy. And the second one, growth of FDI in different sectors. The growth of FDI in Malaysia has been significant across various sectors, reflecting the country's economic diversification efforts. The manufacturing sector has consistently been a major recipient of FDI, with substantial inflows contributing to Malaysia's industry development. My name is Husna Hazunina.
I will talk about the factors contributing to FDI in Malaysia. There has 4 factors that contribute to FDI in Malaysia. The first one is government policies and incentives. The government of Malaysia greatly influences foreign direct investment FDI through its aggressive policies and incentives. The Malaysian government has formulated a series of policies with the intention of fostering an atmosphere that is favorable to international investments. These programs target high priority industry including manufacturing, technology and green energy. Malaysia's attractiveness as a profitable investment destination is further enhanced by its liberal investment regulation, which permits significant foreign equity involved across the majority of industries. The second one is about infrastructure development. Infrastructure development in Malaysia is another important component in attracting FDI. The government has made significant expenditures in infrastructure development, assuring the availability of modern transportation networks, efficient ports and advanced telecommunication system. Malaysia's advantageous geographic location in Southeast Asia improves accessibility and connectivity, establishing it as an important regional center for enterprise. The third one is about skilled labor force. Malaysia's skilled worker force considerably adds to its appeal for FDI. Malaysia places a high value on education and vocational training, producing a workforce with appropriate skills and competence in a variety of sectors such as engineering, computer technology, and business administration. Malaysia has a multilingual workforce which speaks languages such as English, Mandarin, and Bahasa Malaysia, and it provides a particular edge to international cooperation, wishing to operate in a diversified and globalized market. The last one is about access to regional market. Access to the regional market is a key factors to FDI in Malaysia. As a member of the Association of Southeast Asia (ASEAN) and the Comprehensive Progressive Agreement of Trans-Pacific Partnership, Malaysia provides investors with privileged access to a wide and developing market. This trade agreement contribute to lower tariff and easier trade flows, strengthening Malaysia's position as a gateway to the broader ASEAN market and other international markets. Let's move to the next topic about impact of FDI on Malaysia's economic growth. The first one is it can increase in GDP and per capita income. FDI has had a considerable positive influence on Malaysia's economic growth, notably in terms of GDP and per capita income. Foreign firms who establish operation in Malaysia contribute to the country's overall economic output by investing in a variety of areas such as manufacturing, services, and technology. This infusion of capital boosts productivity, manufacturing capacity, and economic activity, all of which promote GDP growth. The next one, FDI has a significant influence on Malaysia economy, particularly in terms of technological progress and knowledge transfer. Foreign investors frequently bring cutting-edge technology and creative techniques to their host countries, enabling the modernization of local industry. This technology is transferred through a variety of methods, including joint ventures, partnerships, and direct application within foreign-owned firms. As a local personnel get exposure to modern technology and processes, their skills and knowledge grow, resulting in a general development in the country's technical capabilities. Next is job creation and skill development. The infusion of FDI has also had a significant impact on employment creation and skill development in Malaysia. As foreign corporations establish operations, they create countless job possibilities for the local populace across a wide range of industries and skill levels. This job development helps to minimize unemployment and offer secure wages for Malaysian people. International firms frequently spend in training and development programs to improve their employees' abilities, ensuring that they are well prepared to meet the needs of modern industries. The last one is about strengthening of export-oriented industries. FDI has greatly boosted Malaysia's export-oriented industry, which are an important part of the country's economic growth plan. Foreign investment, notably in the industrial and high-tech industries, have boosted Malaysia's export prospects by increasing the quality and competitiveness of domestically produced goods. Multinational corporations frequently incorporate local manufacturing into their worldwide supply networks, granting Malaysian product access to foreign markets. This integration not only boosts export quantities, but it also broadens the spectrum of exportable items, lessening the country's dependence on conventional commodity.
Next, the challenges and limitations of FDI in Malaysia. The first one, dependency of foreign investment. Malaysia's economic growth has been significantly bolstered by FDI, but this has led to a dependency that poses risks. The reliance on foreign capital for the development projects and technology transfer can make the economy very vulnerable to global market fluctuations. Moreover, the concentration of FDI in certain sectors can lead to an imbalance, potentially neglecting the development of domestic industry. The second one, the environmental concerns. FDI has contributed to Malaysia's economic development, but has also raised environmental concerns. Study has shown that FDI inflows can lead to increased CO2 emissions and other pollutants, particularly in developing countries like Malaysia, where environmental regulation may be less stringent. And the last one, competition with local business. While FDI brings in capital and advanced technology, it also can create competition for local business. This competition can be beneficial, spurring innovation and efficiency among local firms. However, it also poses challenges, especially for small and medium-sized enterprises (SMEs) that may not have the resources to compete with the larger multinational corporations. Next, the challenges.
So, as a conclusion, foreign direct investment stands as a cornerstone of Malaysia's economic strategy, driven by robust government policy, strategic infrastructure development, skilled labor, and advantageous access to regional market. This factor can attract large foreign capital into the country, foster industrialization, and accelerate economic growth. FDI has played an important role in job creation and skill development, especially in high-value sector, thus increasing the country's human capital and productivity. So, in navigating these challenges and harnessing the benefits, Malaysia needs to continue to refine its FDI policy and emphasize sustainable development in maintaining long-term economic stability and prosperity.